We're to solve this problem by completing the square. You'll notice that I left a space here between 5x and the equal sign so that I can complete the square. Now the process of completing the square is to take 1/2 times the coefficient of the x term, and that gives us 5/2, and then to take that 5/2 and to square it. Now that is what we're going to add then to this side of the equation, and 5/2 squared is 25/4. Now if I add something to one side, I have to add it to the other side. So I'll add 25/4 to the right hand side of the equation. At this point, I am able to complete the square. I will have x minus, because this is a subtraction, x minus 5/2 squared equal to 225/4. That is 50 plus 25/4. At this point, I can apply the square root property because I have something squared equal to a value. Applying the square root property gives us x minus 5/2 equal to plus or minus the square root of 225/4. Now I should reduce this radical, but I notice that 225 and 4 are both perfect squares. So I can write this as x minus 5/2 equal to plus or minus 15/2. We're solving for x, so we should add 5/2 to both sides of the equation. And so I'll have x equals 5/2 plus or minus 15/2. Now we can actually simplify this even further. We can write x equals 5/2 plus 15/2, or x equals 5/2 minus 15/2. We're adding fractions. Luckily we have common denominators. So we'll have 5 plus 15, or 20/2 for the first part of this. And for the second part, 5 minus 15 is negative 10/2. That, of course, reduces to x equal to 10, or x equals negative 5.